Missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can't.
Hey bells, it's ChloeIsabel and I am back with another video. I'm getting ready to go ahead and pick up my Target order. I have a couple of things I had to get from there, so we're going to be heading there, and then after that we're going to come back and we're going to clean the house and maybe cook dinner. So yeah, let's go. Okay y'all, this is my outfits, bubble slides, which I now gotta put my case on my phone. I don't play about my phone, and I also have to fix my club clip, but let's get my car. Okay y'all, so I got my Target pickup, my first one. I'm on my way to the second Target to get the second one, and then we're going back home. Thank you. I've been acting brand new. Hey Belle, so I'm back from Target. I'm gonna show you everything I got, and then we're gonna get into stocking this stuff and like putting it in its rightful place and cleaning it up. I got my exfoliating cotton rounds. If y'all watch my vlogs or anything like that, y'all know that I always use these. And these are the probiotic drinks that I also get. This is the Delicate Tepiche. This is the tropical one. And then I also got this one from my mom. She wanted to try this. This is a hibiscus citrus. And I also got this one. It is the pineapple chile. This one is good. I would say this one tastes like, what is that, Big Shot? And then this one just tastes like a fruity, like a high C or something like that. Haven't tasted this one yet, but I drank one on the way home. So I got 4, so I got 2 tropicals. The tropical is my favorite. The pineapple chili is my second favorite, and then we haven't tried the hibiscus one yet. More trash bags, I ran out. So I got this Glade. If you use Glade, they're on sale right now at Target. It's like 15% off, and then if you go in the store, you get like $1 or something off. So I got this one. This was about $13. You get 60 in here. My last container was about 45, so I just decided to get this one now. This should last me for a while.
So many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on that you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. I trusted you. So sad. What love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it
to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bomb, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
Blowing my up right now. Stood down, niggas dying every day. But what can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. Get who I am. And how this goes. Did I forget who I am? And how this goes.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
Blowing my up right now. Stood down.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
Blowing my up right now. Stood down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. Still do it. And if you don't wanna, they gotta put it on. Yeah.
Did I forget who I am?
How this goes? Did I forget who I am?
Chasing gold. Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the
Hey Bells, so I'm done with my Sunday reset. I hope this got you guys prepared for the week. I changed my hair as y'all can see, but that's besides the point. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can't.